Good morning. Today's topic is shunt configuration. Here, this shunt configuration consists of at the input side the current source Is, input resistance Ri, and from here we have the current as Ii. At the output side we will be having the output resistance as R0 and Aii, and the output voltage is measured at this point. The output voltage is V0. This is positive with respect to this point. This is called a shunt because at the input side we have shunt connection, means parallel connection. If this part is not there, then it becomes series, whereas this is shunt. And even at the output side we have shunt configuration. So only it is called as shunt configuration. It has actually two sections, A circuit and beta circuit. In the A circuit, means this much part is A circuit, we'll be having the input resistance Ri, output resistance R0 and Aii. At the beta circuit, we will be having beta V0, where actually initial part output voltage will be given like here. We'll be having V0 at this point, and now it is given as beta V0, and it is given to the input side. Now this becomes the feedback part. This becomes the input part, this becomes the output part, and this becomes the feedback part. Here we have the current mixing at the input side, and here at the output side we will be having the voltage sampling. At the output side we will be having the voltage sampling. I'll repeat once again. The shunt configuration will be having current source Is, Ii will be flowing from here, and we'll be having the input resistance Ri at the input side. The output side will be having the output resistance R0. Output voltage is measured at this point, and this V0 is fed back. This V0 is given as to the input side like this way. V0 is available here, and the beta V0 is given here, and to get the feedback voltage. Now we will say that A circuit, it consists of what all? The input resistance Ri, output resistance R0 and Aii. And the beta circuit will have what? V0 is fed back. V0 is fed back, and we'll be having beta V0, which develops the feedback voltage. Now what all points to be considered here? Beta circuit is an voltage controlled current source. We'll say this beta circuit is an voltage controlled current source, because we are applying the voltage here. Is an voltage controlled current source. It is an voltage controlled current source. Now we'll find here, actually our aim is to find for all this shunt, series, shunt, series. Our aim is to find out the closed loop voltage gain AF. Till now we have studied RIF, R0F. Input resistance, output resistance with feedback, and then the closed loop voltage gain. Now if I want to find the closed loop voltage gain, the closed loop voltage gain is represented as AF, and it is given as, for this part, it is V0 divided by I0, or it is given as A divided by 1 plus A beta. Similarly, next step is to find out the input resistance with the feedback. It is denoted by RIF, and it is given by Ri divided by 1 plus A beta. We have seen how to derive in the previous 3 lectures. We have seen that how to find for RIF. If it's this derivation, we can write directly RIF as Ri upon 1 plus A beta. And the output resistance with the feedback is denoted as ROF. This also we have seen in previous 3 lectures how to derive, and it is given as R0 divided by 1 plus A beta. The shunt connection at the output results in the reduced output resistance. We'll be having the shunt connection. Yes, no, we'll be having this connection. Shunt connection means parallel connection at the output reduces the output resistance. Shunt connection at the output reduces, the shunt connection at the output reduces the output resistance. This much is sufficient to write in the exam or to be followed. I'll repeat once again. This is shunt configuration, means parallel configuration. We have parallel part at the input side, parallel part at the output side. So only the name is given like this. It consists of current source, input resistance, AII. Output voltage is fed back. So it is called as, this part is called as voltage controlled current source. Voltage controlled current source. Fine. So how the explanation will be? You should say, while writing, A circuit consists of Ri, R0, AII. Beta circuit consists of the output voltage V0 is fed back to beta V0 and will be having the feedback voltage. Now we need to find out AF, RIF, ROF. AF is the closed loop voltage gain. It is given by output voltage divided by the input. So we will be having V0 upon I0. It is given by this formula. Input resistance with feedback is given by this formula. Output resistance is given by R0 divided by 1 plus A beta. Since we have the shunt connection at the output side, it reduces the output resistance. Now last part is shunt series configuration. Shunt series configuration. This shunt series configuration will be having the shunt connection at the input side and series connection at the output side. So how we'll have the diagram of this one? We have IS, will have RI. Now the current here is II. Since we have shunt connection at the input side, so this diagram will come. Next part will be series at the output side, means I will be having AII at this point, AII at this point, and we'll be having the output resistance R0 at this point, and we'll be measuring the I0 output current at this point. Since at the output side we have series, so this type of connection will come like this way. This is series part and this is shunt part. So we'll be having the beta circuit. So this is our beta circuit. This is beta I0 like this way. This is beta circuit. Now this will be drawn like this. This is beta circuit. So we have shunt connection at the input and the series connection at the output. We'll be having the current mixing at the input. We'll be having current mixing at the input and current sampling at the output. And current sampling at the output. This part is called as, we all know, A circuit. And this part is called as beta circuit. Now I again will write A circuit consists of input resistance Ri, output resistance R0 and AII. Now we'll be having here output I0. This is I0 is given here and it is given to the input side. So feedback part. So shunt feedback configuration, shunt series feedback configuration will be shunt connection at the input, series connection at the output. Shunt connection at the input, series connection at the output. Now here again our aim is to find out AF, RIF, ROF. Okay, here the closed loop voltage gain is denoted by AF and it is given by output by input. Here output is what? I0. It is not V0 here, it is I0. Here in this section output is I0. Gain is what? Output by input. Output in this case is I0. Input here is IS. So it is I0 upon IS. And we all know the formula for this is A by 1 plus A into beta. Now the input resistance with feedback is the resistance seen by the current source IS. And RIF is given by the input resistance with the feedback is given by RIF is equals to Ri divided by 1 plus A beta, and the output resistance with the feedback is given by ROF is equals to ROF is equals to R naught into bracket 1 plus A beta. Here one more point is that the shunt connection at the input reduces the input resistance. We'll have the shunt connection at the input. We'll have shunt connection at the input which reduces the input resistance. So shunt connection at the input reduces the input resistance. Shunt connection at the input reduces the input resistance. And we'll have increase in the output resistance because of the series connection at the output. We'll have the output resistance with the feedback. Output resistance with feedback has increased because of the series connection at the output. Series connection at the output side. Okay, I'll repeat once again this point. The closed loop voltage gain is given by I naught divided by Is. It is given by the formula A divided by 1 plus A beta. RIF is the input resistance with feedback. It is given by Ri by 1 plus A beta. Input resistance is reduced because of the shunt connection at the input. We have a shunt connection at the input, so RIF is reduced. ROF is given by R naught by 1 plus A beta. Because of this series connection, we will be having the output resistance as increased. This much is the portion for the second IA. You have any doubt? You can ask me through my WhatsApp number.